Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word maneuvered. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The pilot skillfully maneuvered the plane through turbulent weather. Maneuvered in this context means to navigate or control a vehicle, object, or situation with skill and precision to achieve a desired outcome. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.